Our next option is add to cart, and in general settings you can enable the customizable add to cart, or you can also disable the option and can edit button text, variable product button text, read more button text and grouped product button text, and can also edit the button style. You can choose the default WooCommerce style or choose the round style, and also can add custom style from here. Our next option is button behavior. From here, you can choose how you want to display your add to cart button on archive pages. You can go with your default settings or can always show or always hide. It depends on how you want to display. And from here, you can control add to cart behavior. You can enable Ajax add to cart, or you can also disable the option. You can also add default quantity and can set quantity selector on archive pages. But to use these features, you need to upgrade Pro. And this option is for where you want to redirect after add to cart, no redirect, cart page or checkout page. You can choose any of them. Let's choose checkout page. And in right side, we have notification options, notification style, success message, show view, cart link, show checkout link, or notification duration. You can set each of the option, but you need to upgrade Pro. So let's click save changes and I will show you how our add to cart redirect to our checkout pages. Let's reload the shop page and click add to cart button. It will redirect to our checkout page. So let's go back to our plugin dashboard. And here is some advanced feature. Here you will get mobile settings option, but to use this feature you need to upgrade Pro. And in advanced option you can choose if you want to disable the continue shopping button or not. We have also compatibility settings. You can enable the force button CSS if needed.